Hey guys, what's up? I don't know if you're like me, which I'm assuming you are if you clicked on this video, but you're having issues loading up certain games on the Xbox One X when you have your Elgato HS Plus plugged in. It took me a while to figure this out. Couldn't find a video. You're doing something like this. Let me try to load up Halo. Show you the title screen, and then after that, you'll see it on your TV, but on capture, just a black screen. So, what you want to do is go into your settings, load up, go to TV and display options, video modes, and where it says allow YCC 422, turn that off. Do its thing. Then go back into the game. There you go, and that'll fix it. It happens with a bunch of games. So yeah, hope this helps you guys, and thanks.